So hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Manila branch. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you kung ano-ano ba yung mga updated promo and prices ng mga unit natin when it comes to Mitsubishi unit. So ngayon, almost 8 PM na pero nandito pa rin tayo sa aming stockyard para makapag-update sa inyo ng mga available promos. So para sa mga clients namin na looking for Mitsubishi units, pwede nyo po kaming i-contact ni Joey R. Olimba or Joey Boy Palaboy para mabigyan po namin kayo ng magandang offer, magandang freebies, and competitive na discounts. So as you can see guys, naka-line up na dyan yung mga unit natin. We have here the Montero, GLX manual, Triton, GLS automatic, and 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross, Mirage G4. Doon naman meron tayong L300. So saan ba natin sisimulan? Ayan, mamili tayo. Dito na lang natin simulan sa Expander Cross. So for Expander Cross, it retails for 1,346,000 for the green bronze metallic and 1,356,000 naman for the sunrise orange, 1,371,000 for the quartz white pearl. So ano-ano ba yung down payment natin dito sa Expander Cross? Lowest down payment natin for the 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross is 18,000 all-in down payment. You heard it right guys, 18,000 na lang down payment natin sa ating Expander Cross with free 1-month amortization pa yan. Then sunod natin itong ating Triton GLS automatic. So meron din tayong mga iba-ibang variants when it comes to Triton. Simulan natin sa ating Triton GLX manual transmission. So manual transmission natin, it retails for 1,351,000. All-in down payment natin, 37,000 for BDO, BPI, and RCBC, then 82,000 naman for other bank approval. Well, for the GLX automatic, nag-offer tayo dito for as low as 0 down payment, 25,000 down payment, or 69,000 down payment, depends on bank approval also. By the way, it retails for 1,423,000 for the GLX automatic. Then for this one, yung unit na nakikita nyo, which is the Triton GLS automatic, pero yung unit na pine-present lang natin ngayon is Diamond White. It retails for 1,630,000 and lowest down payment natin for this unit this July 2025 is 17,000 all-in down payment. You heard it right guys. 17,000 na lang yung down payment natin for the Triton GLS. So para sa mga client na gustong mag-avail nito, habol na kayo habang meron pa kaming mga available units na wala pang excise tax. Pero meron din tayo dyan guys, 62,000 down payment for other bank approval. Last but not the least is the Triton Athlete 4x4 automatic. It retails for 1,937,000 and lowest down payment natin will be 106,000 as long as ma-approve kayo through BPI, BDO, and RCBC. Then for other bank approval naman, 156,000. Siyempre, hindi mawawala guys yung mabenta sa atin na Montero Sport. So yung unit na to is 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLX manual transmission. Ang kinaganda dito guys, extended tayo. 0 all-in down payment, pero ang monthly niya na lang is around 31,000. You heard it right guys, 31,000 na lang from 32,000. So para sa mga interested mag-avail, grab nyo na yung offer na to dahil bumaba na ng 1,000 yung ating monthly amortization. So that's 60,000 plus. Then for the Montero GLS automatic, syempre meron pa rin tayong 79,000 all-in down payment with free 1-month amortization. Again, it retails for 1,899,000 pala for the GLS, while for the manual, 1,568,000. Then, for the Black Series 4x2 automatic, it retails for 2,162,000. And may lowest down payment tayo dyan na 150,000. Other bank approval, 205,000 naman. Last but not the least, for the 2025 Montero Black Series 4x4 automatic, which is yung ating top of the line. It retails for 2,502,000 guys, and lowest down payment natin 270,000, then option 2 325,000 naman. So kung napakita na natin yung cross kanina, ito naman yung ating mga expander variant, yung lower variant natin. So we have here the expander GLS automatic. It retails for 1,216,000, and for as low as zero all-in down payment guys, pwede nyo na po siyang maiuwi. Yes, you heard it right, zero all-in down payment for the expander GLS automatic. Sobrang dami naming zero down payment ngayon this July 2025. So if you are interested guys, baka ito na yung tamang oras at panahon na makapag-avail kayo ng Mitsubishi unit. So wala tayong mapapakita na GLX variant, pero i-discuss ko na lang din sa inyo. So for the GLX automatic guys, it retails for 1,128,000, and yung all-in down payment natin doon, yung lowest is 21,000 for BPI, BDO, and RCBC. Then 55,000 naman for other bank approval. While for the lowest variant na manual transmission, it retails for 1,068,000. Lowest down payment natin, 20,000 down payment. Then, other bank approval, 54,000. So, yung mga option na pwede nyong pagpilian when it comes to GLX is black, silver, and gray. While for the GLS naman, green, bronze, metallic, red metallic, quartz white pearl, and red metallic. For expander cross, ayan, sunrise orange, green, bronze, metallic, graphite gray metallic, and quartz white pearl. So, dito sa side, as you can see guys, meron na rin tayong available na 2026 Mitsubishi Mirage G4. So, wala pa akong updated quotation for this unit. If ever na interested kayo, let me know in the comment section below or direct message nyo na lang po ako. So, when it comes to Health 300 guys, nag-offer tayo dyan for as low as zero down payment. So, para sa mga client na gustong magpalago ng kanilang negosyo or magdagdag ng katuwang sa hanap buhay nila, nag-offer tayo dyan. Zero down payment with free 2 months amortization pa. So, ayan. What else do we have here? Ayun, meron din tayo dong X-Force. Silipin lang natin. So, ayan, hanapin ko lang yung X-Force, guys. Ayan. So, dito sa likod, meron tayong X-Force. So, for the base variant, the X-Force GLS CVT, it retails for 1,367,000. Yung offer natin dito is zero down payment with free 1 month amortization. While for the GT variant, or yung top of the line natin, it retails for 1,581,000. Then, yung lowest down payment niya is 9,000. So, ayun lang guys. If ever interested kayo sa aming mga Mitsubishi units, please do message me, Christine Salazar Olimba, and yung mga all-in down payment na binanggit ko, kasama na dyan yung 3 years LTO registration, 1 year comprehensive insurance, 3 years TPL, tint floor matting, EWD, and aside from that, meron pa kayong mga exclusive freebies na manggagaling sa akin. So yes guys, lahat ng offer na binanggit ko, meron pa kayong exclusive freebies na manggagaling sa akin para if ever complete package nyo na iuuwi yung unit nyo, wala na kayong i-add, talagang gagamitin at i-enjoy nyo na lang. So, kung meron naman kayong mga request regarding sa unit nyo, like meron kayong mga freebies na gustong ipakabit na wala sa quotation ko or sa mga list of freebies na binibigay namin na napapanood nyo from our previous videos, just let us know para makapag-adjust tayo, mabigyan namin kayo ng magagandang offer. So again guys, this is Christine Salazar Olimba from Mitsubishi, Abad Santos, Manila. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!